Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening settings and navigating straight to security or biometrics. This saves time and gets you into enrollment now. Follow prompts to add a fingerprint, then enter your backup PIN or password when requested. Place the pad of your finger on the sensor, lift, and reposition slightly each time. This builds multiple angles. Once you complete initial captures, the system will ask for additional touches to refine the template. Keep your finger steady, but vary pressure to improve recognition. Once done with basic enrollment, refine the template by adding more scans in different orientations. This increases match tolerance and reduces false rejects. Make sure to name the fingerprint entry so you can remove or re-register it later, and enable any quick wake or double tap features if available. Now lock the device and test unlocking 3 to 5 times, using natural hand positions you'll normally use. If recognition is inconsistent, re-enroll that finger immediately while the sensor is fresh. To finish, enable fingerprint authentication for apps and payments where prompted, and prioritize device unlock first. Tighten security settings, require fingerprint after a restart or after a set timeout, and remove any old or duplicate entries. If the sensor starts to fail, clean it, update the OS, and reboot before re-registering the finger. These steps fix most issues. Finally, if your finger is injured or worn, re-enroll a different finger. And remember, backup PIN still unlocks when biometrics cannot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.